going to be solving this question. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we use the formula for height. Let's go. So solution. The formula for solving parameters given. Mm. You don't need function. Okay, right now we're going to be solving this. Thank you for joining. Right now we're going to be solving this question. In case you are joining for the first time, I'm Tito John, and all I do is to solve maths and physics problems. So right now we're going to be solving this question. This question we're asked to calculate the time of flight, right? Time of flight. So let's go. T is equal to 2u sine theta. over G. One point six. So, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Right. So now I have to calculate the time of flight in this question. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Right. We are asked to calculate this question. This is physics. Time of flight. Please share the live and let others get this too. So to solve this question, right? We have to calculate time of flight. This is the formula for time of flight. This formula is formula for time of flight. So go. We have 15, 15, 16, equals to 12.9, 12.9, 9 divided by 5, divided by 5, 2 points. 2.6 seconds. With this time of flight. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Okay, so that's for that. That's physics, motion, and projectiles. Motion and projectiles. So let's go again. Let's go. Hold on, let me get some questions. Okay, thanks for joining. Please drop a comment. Drop a comment. Just drop a comment. Let's know who are here right now. Drop a comment. Hey, hello, Sukuna Paul. You're welcome to my life. You're welcome. I am Tito John, and all I do is to solve math and physics problems. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Let's solve some problems together. Just wait a minute. Wait. Okay. All right. So now let's go for another question. An object. Let's go. An object is projected into the air. Please, if you are joining, drop a comment. Into the air with a speed, right? With a speed of 50 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees, right? Above the ground level. Thanks for joining. Above the ground level. Calculate the max height. G is equal to 10 meters per second. If you are joining, thank you for joining. Just drop a comment. Do it to drop a comment. Thank you. All right. So now we're going to be solving this right away solution. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you are joining, do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right. So now we are asked to solve this question. So first of all, in physics, what we do is we write out the parameters given. The parameters given are the speed. The speed, which is u now, is 50 meters per second from this place. 50 meters per second. We have the angle. We have the angle to be 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees. Theta is 30 degrees. G, acceleration due to gravity, is 10 meters per second squared. All right. So now, this question will have to calculate the maximum height attained. So what we are going to be doing, we'll introduce the formula H. H. Please like and drop a comment if you are just joining. Thank you all for sticking with me. So H is equal to U square sine square theta over 2G. So this is the formula. This is the formula for solving the maximum height in physics, right? So now we impute the values. H, which is height, is equal to um u square, that's 50 squared now, sine square theta, that's sine 30 degree squared, divided by 2 times 10, right? So this is it. Then we have 2500, that's 50 square. 2500 times sine 30 degrees squared is 0.5 squared. 0.5 squared divided by so Connor, what are you saying? Divided by 20, right? 20. All right, so left with 2. So we have 250 times 0.5 squared is 0.25. 0.25 divided by 2. Now if we multiply this, 250 times 0.25 divided by 2. Now using our calculators, we use our calculators, we're going to be getting H, which is the maximum height. Yes. Okay, so we're going to be getting H is equal to 31.25 meters. 31.25 meters. Time for JMP. If you are JMP, do it to drop a comment below. Thank you. Right. So let's solve another question again. Another question on maximum height. Maximum height. Time of flight. Okay, time of flight. Time of flight. Let's go. Um. Okay. All right. So in this question, this question says. Okay, I hope you are seeing a stone. A stone is thrown with a speed 10 meters per second, right? At an angle. Please share the live so that others can join. Share the live at an angle, okay? At an angle of 35 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate time of flight. We are calculating time of flight in this case now. Okay, so let's go. We have solution. Okay, solution to this. The formula for solving time of flight t is equal to u sine 2u sine theta all over g. This is the formula for solving time of flight in physics. So now we have the parameters. The speed is 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. Okay. So we have 2 times 10 times 2 times 10 times 10 times sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Thanks for joining. Divided by 10. Right? So 2 into here is 1, 2 into here is 5. So we have 10. Sine 30 degrees is 0.5. Thanks for joining. Sorry for the call. Sorry for the interruption. All right. Solving this now. Sine 30 is 0.5. So we have 0.5 times 10 divided by 5, right? So we have 5. 10 times 0.5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So the time of flight is equal to t is equal to 1 second. 1 second. This is the value for the time of flight, right? The value for the time of flight. Okay. Let's do some mathematics. Okay. Thanks for joining. In case you are joining for the first time, I'm Tito John, and all I do is to solve maths and physics problems. Okay, so to solve maths problems, now let's first of all start with indices. Let's work with indices. Please, if you are joining for the first time, just drop a comment. Thank you. Do it to drop a comment below. Drop a comment under the comment section. Thank you. All right, so first of all, we're starting with indices. In indices, we have this question. 4 to the power of m is equal to 1 over 64. Find the value of m. Find m. So we have solution. We have 4 to the power of m is equal to 1 over 64 is the same thing as 64 to the power of negative 1. 64 to the power of negative 1. So we have 4 to the power of m is equal to 64 is the same thing as 4 to the power of 2. So we have 4 to the power of 2 to the power of negative 1. So 4 to the power of m is equal to 4 to the power of negative 2. We're for the value of m, so we equate both powers. So we'll say m is equal to negative 2. All right, so we're asked to solve this question. In this question, we are asked to find the value of f. We solve this equation. So now, in case you are joining for the first time, I'm Tito Jean, and all I do is to solve maths and physics problems. Please like the live and share it as well. Thank you. Like the live, drop a comment. Thank you. Let's go. So to solve this question, to find the value of x in this question, therefore we'll simplify what is 0.2, right? Well, we can say this is a decimal. So 0.2 is same thing as 2 over 10. It's taking decimal point forward once. So if we take it once, it's the same thing as over 10. So we have 2 divided by 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 25. 1 over 25, right? So 2 over 10. 2 into here is 1. 2 divided by 10 is 5. Okay, so we have 1 over 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 25. So now to solve this question, what we do next is we simplify this question wholly. Thanks for joining. So we have 5. 1 over 5 same thing as 5 to the power of negative 1 divided by x is equal to 25 is same thing 1 over 25, same thing as 25 to the power of negative 1. So we have 5 to the power negative x is equal to 5 to the power of 2, which is 25. Then again to the power of 1, negative 1. So simplifying this, we have 5 to the power negative x is equal to 5 to the power negative 2. Since we are looking for the value of x, we equate both powers, right? So we have negative x is equal to negative 2. So therefore, x is equal to 2. So this is the value of x from this in this equation. Okay, so let's go for another one. Let's go for another one. All right. I'm going to be solving. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Please do it to share the live. In case you are joining for the first time, I'm Tito John, and all I do is to solve maths and physics problems here on this space.